Hey, welcome back, foodies. Today we are making my high-protein 3-ingredient banana pancakes. So quite straightforward shopping list, this one. We've got protein powder, 2 eggs, banana, and I've added some optional bits there as well. You don't necessarily have to use caramelized banana or maple syrup. You can top these with whatever you like. So we start off by peeling the banana and put it into a bowl. We can mash that with a fork. You can blend this, but to be honest with you, it's just as easy to do it with a fork. Then crack your eggs and give it a good whisk up. Once the eggs are fully incorporated, start adding your protein powder. I did it a little bit at a time, but you can just dump the whole thing in, but give it a good whisk. Once it's fully mixed, you should have a nice smooth batter, just like what you see here. Put a frying pan on a medium heat, or if you're like me, use a plancha grill. Once it's up to temperature, spoon out a ladle full of the batter. Once you start seeing bubbles form, they are ready to turn over. This usually takes about a minute or a minute and a half thereabouts. Get these turned over, and again, you want to cook these for another minute or so on the other side. Once they're done, flip them over, and they are ready to go. Once you got your pancakes plated up, it's now time to add your toppings. Like I said earlier in the intro, I did caramelized bananas. Simply just sliced up some bananas, put these on the plancha, and grilled them each side for about 2 or 3 minutes until they started looking like this. Once it was done, pop them on top of the pancakes and then drizzled with maple syrup. Super simple breakfast idea, packed full of protein. Yeah, what more can you want on a Saturday morning? So I managed to get these pancakes at 65 calories per pancake with about 9 grams of protein. Now, they are sweet enough on their own if you get a decent protein powder. I'm using a salted caramel protein powder here, but I mean, you can use any flavor you like as long as it goes well with a pancake. I think the salted caramel flavored protein powder I used works really well with the bananas. You get a sort of banoffee type vibe with it. I topped my pancakes with a 0-calorie maple syrup, which I'll put a link in the description for. But to be perfectly honest with you, you could top these pancakes with anything you like. I mean, fresh fruit. I use caramelized bananas today, but I don't always do that. Sometimes I just put some frozen fruit on top, and that seems to do the trick. But if you do have a sweet tooth like me, you might want to check out this recipe just here where I'm making a cottage cheese cheesecake, which is no bake. That's right, I said no bake. Check it out.